Hi there, and welcome back. If you're selling to customers from different countries, language can be a huge barrier during checkout. Even a perfectly optimized funnel can lose conversions if users don't fully understand what they're seeing. That's why localization and translation settings in Checkify Plus are so important. They allow you to adapt your checkout to each customer's language and create a much more natural buying experience. So, let's see how to set it up. Open your Checkify Plus admin panel and go to the localization section. This is where you manage all language-related settings for your checkout. First, you can select your base language. This is the default language that will be used if the system can't detect the user's preferences. Next, you can enable automatic translation. There are two options here. You can translate the checkout based on the user's IP location, which works best for countries with one dominant language, or based on the device language, which is useful for more diverse regions, but only one type of auto-translation can be active at a time. Once enabled, Checkify will automatically translate your checkout and thank you page into supported languages, making the experience much more accessible for international customers. At the same time, you're not limited to automatic translation. You can manually customize any text in any language, whether it's button labels, field names, or messages. This allows you to adjust the tone of voice, simplify wording, or align everything with your brand style. Now let's see how it looks on the checkout. Open any checkout link from the Buy Link section and simulate a different user scenario, for example, by changing your browser language or using a VPN. You'll see that the checkout automatically adapts and displays content in the appropriate language. One important thing to keep in mind is that some payment elements, like PayPal or card input fields, may use their own language settings based on the user's device or network, so they are not controlled directly inside Checkify. By using localization and translation settings, you make your checkout more understandable, more trustworthy, and much more effective for a global audience, which directly impacts your conversion rate. Feel free to save this video if it helped you set up localization in Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more features. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.